In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets on the left. Click on the best option for you and click Yes. Then adjust all of those options again. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. Just click on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Then close your app. And as you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!